this is called a multi-way if. So we looked at a one-way if, which was an if statement on its own. We looked at a two-way if, and now we're looking at a multi-way if. And look at this for a moment. This is a multi-way if. Right? And in this multi-way if, we use an if with a condition. We use an else if with a condition. And we use a straight else. And look how this would work, right? Look how this would work. So num1 is 10, num2 is 10. Check your condition. Is num1 greater than num2? False. Else, if num2 is equal to num1, true, it's going to execute. Num1 and num2 are equal. Alright? And it is not going to go into the else statement. This is seen as one block. Think of it as one block. The minute one condition is true, you don't go searching into the other conditions. Right? Let's look at another example. Let's say num1 is 20 and num2 is 10. If I test the condition, is num2 greater than num1? Is num2, which is 10, is 10 greater than 20? No, false. So it goes and checks the else if. Is 10, num2, equal to num1, 20? That's false. So if the first condition fails and the second condition fails, it automatically goes into the else and it's going to say num1 is greater than num2. And finally, if we have 10 for num1 and 20 for num2, and we test, is num2 greater than num1? That will be true. That will be true. And if that is true, then the first statement is executed and everything else in the if else and the else is ignored. So the rule with the multi-way if, the rule is the minute one condition is true, you execute the statement and you come out of the block. You come out of the block. Do not go testing anymore. The block ends and you come out of it. But if a condition is false, then you move and test the next one. Right? And take note, you can have, here I've got 3 different ifs and an else. You could have 5. You could have else if something, else if something, else if something, and then else finally.